Hi students, today we discuss xenon compounds. They are xenon fluorides and xenon oxide. This concept is very important and expected for 8 marks question in public exam. First we discuss xenon fluorides, that is xenon difluoride, formula XeF2. Method of preparation: when excess of xenon is reacted with fluorine and it is heated up to 673 Kelvin temperature and 1 bar pressure, form xenon difluoride. Chemical properties: when xenon difluoride is reacted with 2 moles of water molecules, undergo hydrolysis, form xenon hydrofluoric acid and oxygen gas is liberated. When xenon difluoride is reacted with phosphorus pentafluoride, form an addition product, that is XeF plus and PF6 minus compound. Hybridization: xenon difluoride form sp3d hybridization. The number of, when we look at this structure, this xenon compound is in linear in shape of structure. Here the number of lone pair of electrons is equals to 3 and the number of bond pairs of electrons is equals to 2. In xenon difluoride, the xenon compound shows +2 oxidation state. Now we discuss xenon tetrafluoride, formula XeF4. The preparation method: when xenon and fluorine are reacted together in 1:5 ratio and they are heated up to 873 Kelvin temperature and 7 bar pressure, form xenon tetrafluoride. Chemical properties: when 6 moles of xenon tetrafluoride is reacted with 12 moles of water molecule, undergo hydrolysis, form xenon and xenon trioxide, hydrofluoric acid and oxygen gas is released here. When xenon tetrafluoride is reacted with antimony pentafluoride, form an addition product, that is XeF3 plus and SbF6 minus compound. Hybridization: the xenon tetrafluoride shows sp3d2 hybridization. When we observe the structure here, the xenon tetrafluoride is a square planar shape in structure. Here this compound contains 2 lone pairs of electrons and 4 bond pairs of electrons. When we observe the oxidation state, in xenon tetrafluoride, the xenon shows +4 oxidation state. For example, the oxidation state of xenon, say X, and oxidation state of fluorine, we know that is -1. When we calculate here, the xenon shows +4 oxidation state. Now we discuss xenon hexafluoride, formula XeF6. Method of preparation: when xenon and fluorine are reacted in 1:20 ratio and they are heated up to 573 Kelvin temperature and 60 to 70 bar pressure. That means we are applying higher pressure here in order to make xenon hexafluoride. Chemical properties: when xenon hexafluoride undergo a complete hydrolysis with water molecule, form xenon trioxide and hydrofluoric acid is formed as a final product. When xenon hexafluoride undergo partial hydrolysis, that means that will be reacted with 1 mole of water molecule, form xenon oxytetrafluoride and hydrofluoric acid is formed. When xenon hexafluoride undergo partial hydrolysis with 2 moles of water molecules, form xenon dioxygen difluoride and hydrofluoric acid formed. When xenon hexafluoride is reacted with metal fluoride, form an addition product that is M plus XF7 minus compound, where the metals are like sodium, potassium, rubidium, cesium. We can substitute in place of M here. Hybridization. The xenon hexafluoride shows sp3d3 hybridization. When we observe the structure here, the xenon hexafluoride is a distorted octahedral in shape, and this xenon hexafluoride having one lone pair of electron. Due to this lone pair of electron, it will be exhibit distorted octahedral in shape. In xenon hexafluoride, the xenon shows +6 oxidation state. Now we discuss xenon oxides. First, xenon trioxide. When xenon tetrafluoride is reacted with water molecule, form xenon trioxide. Another method of preparation is when xenon hexafluoride on complete hydrolysis with 3 moles of water molecule form xenon trioxide and hydrofluoric acid formed. Oxidation state. In xenon trioxide, xenon shows +6 oxidation state. Type of hybridization. Xenon trioxide shows sp3 hybridization. When we observe the structure here, the xenon trioxide shows a pyramidal in shape of structure and having one lone pair of electron. Look at here. In xenon trioxide, the bond angle between xenon oxygen and oxygen, xenon oxygen, the bond angle is equals to 103 degrees. Now we discuss xenon tetroxide formula XeOF4. Method of preparation. When barium perxenate formula Ba2XeO6 that will be reacted with sulfuric acid form xenon tetroxide. Oxidation state. In xenon tetroxide, the xenon shows +8 oxidation state. Hybridization. Xenon tetroxide shows sp3 hybridization. When we observe the structure here, the xenon tetrafluoride shows a tetrahedral in shape. So, there is no lone pair of electrons. That means the lone pair of electrons in xenon tetroxide is equals to 0. The bond angle between oxygen, xenon, oxygen is equals to 109.5 degrees. Now we discuss xenon oxytetrafluoride formula XeOF4. Method of preparation. When xenon hexafluoride is undergo partial hydrolysis with 1 mole of water molecule, form xenon oxytetrafluoride and hydrofluoric acid is also formed as final products. Oxidation state. The xenon oxidation state in XeOF4 compound is equals to +6. Hybridization. The xenon oxytetrafluoride shows sp3d2 hybridization. When we observe the structure here, the xenon oxytetrafluoride is a square pyramidal shaped structure. Here, this compound contains one lone pair of electron. Now we discuss xenon dioxygen difluoride formula XeO2F2. Method of preparation. When xenon hexafluoride undergo partial hydrolysis with 2 moles of water molecule form xenon dioxygen difluoride. Here hydrogen fluoride formed as byproduct. The xenon shows +6 oxidation in xenon dioxygen difluoride molecule. hybridization. The xenon dioxane difluoride shows sp3d hybridization. When we observe the structure here, this is similar to trigonal bipyramidal in shape of structure. But due to the presence of one lone pair of electron, its actual structure is seesaw structure. This is the information about xenon compounds. Thank you for watching this video.